Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows cannot start this hardware device code 19 configure into damaged keyboard. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility and scroll down, click on a keyboard and open a on screen keyboard. So click on it, turn on it. After it, close it. In the search box, type a registry editor. Now right click, open a run as administrator. After doing this, that first of all, select a HKey local machine and expand it. Select a system and expand it. After that, select a current control set and expand it. After doing this, that select a control and expand it. After that, select a class and expand it. After doing this, that go down and find out a now after doing this, that select this name of folder. First of all, open a default and set a value data is keyboard. Press OK. After that, find out a upper filters, but if not shown, then right click on new and set a dword 32-bit value and set a data name is upper filters. Open upper filters and set a value data is keyboard. Right click new and add a string value and set a name data name is upper filters. No, I have deleted it. So set a name is upper filters and open it and set a value data is keyboard. Sorry, KBD class and press OK button. After that, close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type our device manager, open device manager. After doing this test, select a keyboard and select a keyboard. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select the hardware. Click on next to continue and install it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.